bringing the easy use of the Oregon cordless family to your lawn. Introducing the LM 336-volt cordless lawnmower from Oregon. With a quality cut and a long runtime, the LM300 gives you easy operation with the ability to tackle large areas. Equipped with a brushless motor and a high-capacity 36-volt lithium-ion battery, you can cut up to 500 square meters on a single charge. Forget about all the trouble trying to start a petrol mower. With the LM300's instant start, it's as easy as pressing a button. The LM300 has an easy adjusting handle and 6 convenient cutting positions from 25mm to 75mm, giving you a perfect cut on even the roughest surfaces. You'll love the lightweight construction of the LM300. Weighing only 15 kilograms, this lawnmower won't take up a lot of space and is easily stored. You'll enjoy hassle-free transportation to wherever you need it. With a high-torque, brushless motor and a 40-centimeter cutting diameter, the LM300 cuts quickly and efficiently through all types of grass. And when you're done, the 50-liter solid debris bag easily detaches and empties. And it's a breeze to clean thanks to its solid plastic construction. Forget about petrol. This mower relieves you of pull cords, engine noise, and harmful emissions. The high-capacity 36-volt battery holds its charge in storage for months and can be swapped between all Oregon cordless products. So you can power your whole Oregon cordless family with one battery. Ergonomically designed, whisper quiet, and maintenance-free, the LM300 has the power and convenience to make your cutting time more efficient and enjoyable. The LM300 36-volt cordless lawnmower from Oregon. Cutting grass has never been this easy.